Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel. This channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In this video, I'm gonna show you something that is going to help you, recover some of the losses in the margin market, especially when you don't have enough capital to trade big loss sizes in the margin market. The topic is money doubling plus D+DE engine 23.09 by reading binary digits. Okay, you can see on the Deriv website, this is volatility 10-1s, and there's, now we say the tick to one tick, the last digit to 8, the last prediction digit, which is LPD to 8. Okay, and so we employ exponential trading strategy to actually double the $10. We started with $10. We want to see $20. In a conventional margin trading, most time when you put $10 and use certain loss sizes, then the stop loss hunt will trigger your stop losses, but before you know it, you blow the account. Okay, but anyway, you blow your account simply because you don't know how to trade, or you don't know how to get the right signal. In our VIP, we produce synthetic and forex signals in our Telegram channel, VIP Telegram channel. But that is by the way. But this video is actually to help you have access to this course. Like, this video is to help those that don't have enough money to trade margin or even join our VIP, because the VIP signal channels are costly. So this course, this money doubling plus D+DE engine 23.09 is a course. This course gonna change your life anyway, because in less than basically 5 minutes you double your stake. You go back and start with another type of stake and you double it. So what you'll be learning in this course include filtering technique, zeroing technique. Okay, that is last digit prediction zeroing technique. You are going to zero the last digit, meaning that the last digit is going to be inaccessible, like it will never exist. You will have to destroy the existence of last digit or last prediction digit. So you are going to learn how to do that, zeroing the LPD, and then you are going to learn the exponential strategy of doubling or going more than doubling, like going 3 times, 4 times, 5 times of your stake. Okay, or even 25 times, 100 times of your stake. You are going to learn. Then you are going to learn the logarithmic formula that is used to predict the number of trades to actually get a particular multiplier, like times 3, times 5, times 10, and all of that. So this course is very affordable anyway. I think it's not going to be costly because I'm trying to help a lot of people. So the first 100 people that will enroll for this course, we get it at $50. I think $50 is good because my VIP signals on margin market are very costly. I think this will help a lot of people. The cost on the margin market is because of the stress it took to produce profitable signal. But I think this will be a solution. Do this and then get more money to enroll for margin market. Thank you.